Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the PMP exam questions. Friend, today we shall discuss only a few sample questions which may appear in the actual exam of PMP. Here remember one thing, that these are the sample questions, these are not the actual questions. The purpose of these types of videos is that you can just have an idea, or you can understand the difficulty level of questions which may appear in the exam, and these types of questions which could be helpful for you to be successful in the PMP exam. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. The first sample question here is that all of the following are always inputs to the risk management process except. Here remember, friend, that this is a very concept important. Except, that means all the options are related to risk management process and only one is not related to the risk management process. Here, historical information, lesson learned, work breakdown structure and project status report. See, friend, here whenever we talk about a risk management process, historical information is necessary, lesson learns are also very important, work breakdown is also very important. Only the option is project status report. Status report is the only thing which is not useful for the risk management process. So the option is project status reports. This is the only thing which is not helpful or not useful in the risk management. Then the another question is, when estimating time for activities, a project manager should what he should do. The first option, use the best guess and estimate all activities, since there will be changes as the project progresses and more information becomes available. Involve people who will be doing the work to get estimates. Estimate for what the cost will allow and include buffers. None of the above. See, first of all, you are estimating a project, you are estimating the activities. So as a project manager, what should you have to do? Use the best guesses and estimates of all activities, since there will be changes as the project progresses and more information becomes available. Friend, see, best guesses is not the right option, because you will not go for best options, you will go for the right option actually. Okay, so first option is not viable. Then involve people who will be doing the work to get estimate. This is the right answer, this is suitable answer. Then estimate for what the cost will allow and include buffer. You will not allow the buffer if it is not necessary, and costing, this is a wrong option. None of the above, it is also, just leave it. So the answer, involve people who will be doing the work to get estimate. This is the right answer. Okay, this is the option which should be chosen. Another way PMP exam, similar sample question for PMP exam, that you are running a project to engineer, okay, and implement a set of business processes and a software solution for customer relationship management. The project involves a large number of organizations, a major corporation and many suppliers of different sizes. During the project, you observe the effects of the differences between the company's corporate cultures. This leads to different expectations on how the project should be handled, as well as to frequent misunderstandings between stakeholders. Another effect is growing degree of distrust and skepticism. What should you try first to integrate the diverse stakeholders group? Friend, first of all, remember that these types of questions are very confusing. Why? Especially in the PMP exam question. Why? Because see, the statement is very long. So at least you need 30 seconds or at least 60 seconds you need to read this properly. So already you know that around 200 questions are there in the exam of 4 hours. So it is very teasing to read this type of very lengthy question. But remember, these types of questions are just there just to confuse you. Just try to read, you have to read the questions properly, and then read this. What should you try to first to integrate the diverse stakeholders group? Okay, what you have to do. So the options are: focus on project work as a project manager. You should not get distracted by the egos. Okay, let the problem, okay, focus on, see, the question was the question was main question was related to that what should you try first to integrate the diverse stakeholder groups. So this was the question. So what you can do, focus on project work. As a project manager, you should not get distracted by the big egos. This could be the answer. Let the problems grow further until they are obvious for all. They then escalate them. This is obviously it is not the right option because it's the reactive approach. So obviously it is a wrong option. Develop the joint quality policy for the project and seek a committee by all organizations. This is also a wrong option. Seek a commitment by all organization, joint quality policy. Obviously this could not be a right option. Then the analyze the probability and impact of the risk linked with the situation and plan how to respond to them. See, this could be the answer. Analyze the probability and impact of the risk linked with the situation and plan how to respond them. Focus on project work. As a project manager, should not get distracted. Friend, see, this is the right answer. Analyze the probability and impact of the risk linked with the situation and plan how to respond them. It is a very right answer, and answer exactly the same. Analyze the probability impact of the risk linked with the situation and how. See friend, why I am saying that this is the right answer. First of all, as a project manager, you should be a good analyst. You should be a proactive person. You should not be a reactive person. Okay, so always the questions are very much based on the your thought process on which what you are thinking about after reading the question. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.